How are you? How are you? I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Delhi. I am from Delhi. What do you do? What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? The restroom is over there. The restroom is over there. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? This costs 100 rupees. This costs 100 rupees. Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Of course, I would be happy to help. Of course, I would be happy to help. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's sunny. It's sunny. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Yes, I am a little busy. Yes, I am a little busy. Can you give me directions to the bank? Can you give me directions to the bank? Sure. Go straight and then turn right. Sure. Go straight and then turn right. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? My phone number is. My phone number is. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 siblings. Yes, I have 2 siblings. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Have you been here before? Have you been here before? No, it's my first time here. No, it's my first time here. What's your plan for the weekend? What's your plan for the weekend? I am planning to visit Digha. I am planning to visit Digha. Can I have the check please? Can I have the check please? Certainly, here's the check. Certainly, here's the check. How do I get to the nearest ATM? How do I get to the nearest ATM? Walk straight and then turn left. Walk straight and then turn left. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Batman. My favorite movie is Batman. Can you pass me the salt please? Can you pass me the salt please? Of course, here you go. Of course, here you go. How was your day? How was your day? It was good, thank you. It was good, thank you. Can you recommend a good restaurant around here? Can you recommend a good restaurant around here? Sure, I recommended JW Kitchen. Sure, I recommended JW Kitchen. Can I have a glass of water please? Can I have a glass of water please? Of course, here's a glass of water. Of course, here's a glass of water. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? No, I am fine, thank you. No, I am fine, thank you. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Reading is my favorite hobby. Reading is my favorite hobby. What's the date today? What's the date today? Today is 26th of August. Today is 26th of August. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? My favorite book is. My favorite book is. Can you pass me a tissue please? Can you pass me a tissue please? Sure, here's a tissue. Sure, here's a tissue. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. My favorite season is winter. Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies? No, I don't have any allergies. No, I don't have any allergies. What's your favorite place to travel to? What's your favorite place to travel to? My favorite place to travel is Paris. My favorite place to travel is Paris. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? I enjoy cooking for fun. I enjoy cooking for fun. Can I have a menu, please? Can I have a menu, please? Certainly, here's the menu. Certainly, here's the menu. Do you have any plans for the evening? Do you have any plans for the evening? Yes, I am planning to watch a new movie. Yes, I am planning to watch a new movie. How do you go to work? How do you go to work? I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Of course, here's a cup of coffee. Of course, here's a cup of coffee. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am free tomorrow. Yes, I am free tomorrow. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Of course, you can take it. Of course, you can take it. Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? Sure, I can repeat that. Sure, I can repeat that. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.